I was for Smart Ghana update and I'm wishing Bibia Aquaba, Yenina, Yenim say, Brunya, New Woman, and Messrs. will be able to who ye na a fee Aquaba betu ye. Yadenya Mias, 31st night. Now, the first night, dear, he young comes to be a comes to Trubia Bium. Now, so and come my baby, Messrs. Odo comment, or comment session, no. Now, I like, subscribe it. Now I share. Yeah, Papa Kwesi Pratt, we managing editor, Emma Inside newspaper. Wakasa watch say MPB wakasa no. Amanfo nim say wakasama NDC. Na no kasa wo Peace FM no din komo one panelist ba ko na bufu yi pa say adentina panelist no target no say wakasama NDC na so we NDC ni na free da office wakasa ya no. On kasa ma NDC ono de ne kasa na okasa adenti ye target sa on pesa de no kra mamon target ni so kasa ma NDC no kasa ma on mine no bese ye koni kutie e wa pa Kwesi Pratt nsem o kan ye ba e be di hu nkomo won so uzuzu se okasa ma NDC anase okasa as a neutral person yenkotie mra
ya say nkomo ya
nkomo na ye di but NDC for anwia na omutu egu se wo mo ma ban mu da anka me I can pardon them. Womunya opportunity more than any political party and at the Fourth Republic. More.
Master, do you know that you are being very unfair? Because me say CPP also issue statement.
Oh,
criticizing what is happening.
But
so don't reduce it to NDC.
Now why are you speaking? Are you speaking for the NDC?
Oh,
no, but if I decide,
how am I speaking?
What mutaladi? I don't know mutalankwadi na boy.
Say my boss CPP, my boss CPP.
Now me, you don't tell me say me more with you, I'm more with you. My boss NDC did say they are being disingenuous. Now mo jama mo ba power no the bekan Fourth Republic. Mo ba power na sika da how pocho mo discuss grab bobo se na dia. Mo ba power CPP be di o my so.
You are being very unfair.
I can be on. You are also. Oh my, me
so very unfair.
He's not being fair to me. You are interjecting me too much. I'm going to see myself.
Manning me and I'm
going to submission. Oh my, me can say. Now who to you Ghana Now they can't this na why
and I will not tolerate it.
Me sorry.
Because there's no way I'll be to catch them and someone make or and then NDC some America. NDC some America.
One kind NDC as me see me boy NDC but who say NDC for Nkwana. So you seems to be speaking for the NDC. Yes. Because I don't know.
What time will pay? Obi a oni mo nya dwibia ye NDC.
And yes, I don't
know.
Kwesi.
Adam ha ye ti hai. Ade asan maka ne nda e chese me kasa ma.
Me wo say adent na NDC for Nkwana me site wo. That is what you just asked me.
Me.
Yes, who say adent.
Someone make a try wo say. Someone be.
Mo statement that we should be hu ye.
Na me ka say la wo na obi say no site NDC.
Someone.
There be no obi say.
There be. Someone make an say. Someone beto ho no. Ene NDC ni MPP asem. Na asama beto ho no minimum no kuo a omunye NDC ni MPP omuso kabi mikasa ma NDC
ankwese tubo hwe
mikasa na sakasa ni NDC kasa
me say you can state your position. How? But we will cite the people talking about this no you didn't even cite your statement you issued. You were citing NDC MP. But let me ankwese
you are so unfair.
Me da say
one am more parliament
me da say oh ankwese
the argument is no, because you are being so unfair. You are being so very unfair.
If you had allowed me to finish, you could have jotted down the point and make them clear.
There are so many points you have made which are invalid, and I'm going to come to them.
So why are you interjecting me? The way I will interjecting me, if I also take you through that same process, can you get the chance to do?
You can take me through that process. Sasubaina, Obia ne mo nyadwe na mo hotre. Obia hontre no. Obia hontre. Wo so NDC.
Me nka say wo NDC ne. I never said you were NDC.
Okasama NDC.
Me say it seems.
Doesn't help you.
Ya interview Ghana for a wo mu tie ye enne. Obia be ho say Owura studio how kasama NDC ni.
Oh, Charlie, please. You are the presenter of this program. You have to check this misbehavior.
Oh, this
misbehavior is clearly unacceptable.
No, but don't say it's misbehavior. Don't say so.
Clear misbehavior.
I have my the mind of my own.
No, but so deliberate tagging. It doesn't help.
Me that's it.
because it's deliberate tagging.
Medasi,
over the years.
Medasi.
It's so unfair.
Medasi, Mami Koso.
Program from the very first day. Nana Ohini too. I couldn't have done this program all these years. Say,
oh yes, of course, and they'll do honey.
It couldn't have been possible.
Sure. Slide,
no, sorry. If I've been principled all these years, I would not be sitting here by now. Only program way, anyone start here and now hearing to and so on.
We know.
We built a certain tradition. Don't come and spoil that tradition.
No.
These baseless allegations.
Questions like point to know that Charles, remember, I won't take any further comment on this. It's okay on this.
Point. About Kosi Pratt and Yakoti no aba chese utunzo dwala say amount for tagging or say deliberate tagging. Na me na go fear JB di nkomo say deliberate and I say wa what you susu say Ogasama NDC.
Assembly sibini ho ana dance ni ho etwa bi ne da dance na se Kosi Pratt kasama NDC kranka enye bone so NDC for so Ghana for na Ghana for so need obi obakasa ma ko yinyi ntumi nkasa at the same time
Kanya bone ntumi ko tipen cross
yinyi aso ntumi ko tip benkrum Edian obi an na adwene because ade a obi hu kwa na fita no bi so ba baka so ndi hu na yellow untu nya na hwe opinions are like noses so what I say Kosi Pratt on this year ne bo fu twan yi de me dwene ho amenti ase because wo di nkomo no you incited Mutara Muhammad ya oye NDC ni say budget no has not been approved one kase Ghana for say o say Mutara no so ye NDC ni to NDC na o ka na say ayi nipa no aka say o to NDC for to futu gu Ghana ni na say o kaka say da bi o ka sa da person chem kasa ma NDC a me nso me ne Kosi Pratt nya aju ko o ka no one side to obia say NDC na o site no to one side NDC ni dia say nipa na onu di nkomo so Jeffrey wanu mu bono begyan so de bua wo and there have been more situations that ne kasa ye mu na yi na che say okasama wom like I said okasa wom amwa me huru bone ewom because as we speak Peace FM kura no kokoro ko show no so and it's for boy ko to a be getting to a year nie and a few months in the omonko program no so enti bibi on beka ho bia no so mu di fo so mu di bi mu there's nobody enti Kosi Pratt na he's known to be CPP and then I say Kuwakra so hwesofo and director no na so opesa okasama omo a say positive wa me hunu bone ewum so ada say it ne bufu afua na che say dum be ko opesa che say Sakoni Subanya nka o metra programs ne ade the fact that you've been accepted at a particular place doesn't make you so superior than any other person so what I say because when you masama o kan ye and nipa no gina so aka say and all can say idea these speculations have been there all this why nti utu say nye sa particular movement no abufuo ye de abobo ano na all kan so what I say o de gina so man ebuafu but the question you ask yourself say Kosi Pratt we CPP ni but when was the last time I would say Kosi Pratt kasa CPP
CPP there everyone say almost say MPP NDC na also and almost na edi o man so
no na di man so assess still obetu ya kasa say we at CPP stand on ABS a level who asemu a obetu ya gina party man and keeps your party in the minds of people but always opeke either NPP or NDC for enkwa na adom kasa dia gradually you are killing your party and as Oma you are making your party unpopular so what I say the way they mean ebufu and bofu there chama obisa me a me hunu the details say ebufu twan sa
now this amount for tagging deliberate the word deliberate or no we use
me the kaka say so okay deliberate amen tiase because you see asem sadanse ni ho etwam de ya danse de ntine be man kofo akasa because me am tieto bia metumi tie ne pa utu asem no ye nyina ye kwa ba hofo so aba ha ama ba obeba no otane ndis fo adwene mu hia menka se okasa ma mu ba totane o madwene hia nti ono madwene hia so dia obi enso o se do hu na ade once ono madwene hia no de obi abakasa ne okasa ma mu because the omo ba kan omo stance and ya na so stance pa nti abasa that people will definitely point to the fact say okasa ma ndis fo and enye deliberate say obi hunu hwe because yes bi bia nkoka papa enye grede sanka wonye bibia ada nipa bebe obi nka say yam kobo obi adi say wokwasi praton kofo bo odi and won say kwakuba akonso start to be talking for NPP though so ono angasa hasn't come out to be to fight over it and answer to whatever but yenim say omi no na come senior citizens of this and journalists in the industry you know ya tag we say we kasama NPP for ya tag we so kasama NDC for the because of the way and Semba musi address no ndo akasa kasama Ghana for saka kotra na se Ghana for say 11 no omon support na say NDC for say dia na say kasama NDC for so as though say that may not be your position though but the way I will see addressing no and man for kasa
amount for so kire say na omu ni ze wote me share comment bi omu ze ya wotna otatna NDC TV so and so kra ka ho kire say NDC ni ma papa
nyame no kureni so bi kasa onya far from the truth ma study Kwesi Pratt ono akwase ya host program bi NDC platform bi so and so ko hwe even about peace fire or more relaxed or so ko hwe no other platforms so see food jano ne and ade no ekwa ban no so ne ade no obi nkan cho say papa we the MCCPP wajin ticket no nyanka unofficially unofficially no wajin ticket so what I say auction pa aggression they address issues on other bi so na enye patro kasa mo mana so onye part ni mum baby environment no see as do what Europeans do when you go to Europe they be trend this for platforms so say otu jam ehu say wa ba edim to speak the way we speak what I say you know obi kasa onye gbane but o ma na nya bufuo because o kasa mo kwa enye gbane ko this one so ya Ghana for
no see no then na obeka
tiba no see no
oh wow mo tag ni
we shouldn't support blindly okay and so be ya de na nya yankasa dia o ye nye regardless of the party that the person belongs to so NDC news so and PPP news so whatever de wa ye no sanya ka eyen so a recommend na eman mura out because so there no more so what I say and ye tag it's up to you to leave a legacy biana prove the people wrong means that no you are not speaking for any political party, but you are speaking for Ghana as he claims. It is open side on me who side him from henceforth.
Open side, yeah, on me who onye no more we change the narrative. Say, oh yeah, NDC ni no na go feji e kan so adwenkyere o say message do comment be ba o comment section no like and subscribe. No share so am obi ate say the esi ko. I Smart Ghana update. There will be bias so share akram.